Hello everyone. So this is Suraj Pawar come back with a video. So in that I'm just telling you about how the GitHub is really important nowadays. It's not about nowadays, but it's really good to have maintained our profile on GitHub, right? So for example, see, this is my profile. I'm not telling like I'm very much good or my profile is very good, but yes, I would like to suggest if someone were ask me like, could you please tell me about what is the pros on what is the advantage of maintaining the Git profile. So here it is, right? So you need to maintain first of all your profile like this. You have to just created your readme. So in that it's profile view, then followers, currently skills, whatever you have just put it. So based on login. So in that your popular repository, you need to add your favorites like that. After that, in this whole history of your years of contribution and everything, it's visible. For example, if I have done some contribution on 17 date, so there are the 9 contributions is there, right? So based on that, you can see on January, this is comments committed. I just put it with the codes, right? So this kind of whole visible, right? For example, if you want to click on the repositories, so if this is my latest one repository, right? So I need to click it. So based on that, first of all, I will tell you this repository, it's in public, so anyone can access it. If you want to access it, right click, you need to just copy it, you need to git clone on your anyone folder, right? So you need to don't download it. If you are technical people, definitely you need to clone it, right? So that is the thing. So that after that, this is the branch. I have only one branch. After that, you have some folders file, you have some readme.md file, then after that you have some folders and folder. You need to maintain your, for example, whenever you are just putting the push the code, right? So you need to add some comments, right? So like this kind of comments I have added, right? So this is all about. So in that I also implement the CI/CD, right? So in that CI/CD, so see in CI/CD some test cases passing, some test cases are failed. So this is all about like whatever the changes you are doing in local desktop, so automatically it's reflected over the server like that, right? So this is all about. So let's go through. So for CI/CD pipeline, so I'm just using the GitHub Actions. So in that, you need to create this folder. Then after that, automate.yml file. In automate.yml file, you need to put it this one. So this all secret, I just put it in my GitHub. In GitHub, I just created some lab variables. In that secret code, I just put it git node host, git node username and SSH key, right? So all this I have put it. So based on that, it's really good to have. You can use any different CI/CD pipeline as well, like Jenkins, also one of the most familiar and most famous and open source, right? So this is all about. So for example, if you want to create one like repo, you need to click right click, then you need to click on the plus button, then new repo. Then after that new repo, you need to add it some repo name as per your convenient. You need to add some description, you need to put your visibility as per your convenient. You can just put it in public, you can put it in private, so as per your convenient. If you want to add it some .git ignore file, you can add it. If you want to add this readme file, you can add it. So like that, and you need to create like this. So this is all about. So in profile settings, so there are a lot of options. So what's my personal? So see, for example, you want to build your profile, right? So this is one of the most important. You need to see like your followers, your following. You can just put at your company details, where you're working, your different websites, URLs, and everything. So your achievements, it's visible like this kind of thing. So this is all about the GitHub, how the GitHub it's really important. So definitely I've after this video, definitely I would like to uh, tell to everyone, make your GitHub profile as much as put your created some projects, start learning, start practicing, push your daily day to daily course, day to daily whatever the code that you are just writing, you can put it over there. So like it's really good. It really helps to you whenever you want to switch from one company to other as well. So based on that, your visibility also increased based on if someone will visit your GitHub profile. So hope you like it. Thank you so much. Keep in touch.